some of the stuff that we were just building here today was we were just placing flooring, like just placing like tiles on the floor, like make sure like they're even.
First, when we first got here, we had to scrape the paint off the floor to get the tiles to lay straight. But behind me, they building another wall for another house.
I never would have thought I would be building on houses like before I even left high school. So I hope I get to use this like stuff that I'm learning right now in the future.
I can say everybody who was in the Youthbuild construction class, it's easy for us because we know our measurements correctly. We all doing good. Like nobody really need no help because we know everything. We just now doing it like for real, for real. We coming here now and now we see everything they taught us, like how to be more careful and how to really really work a proper tool.
A lot of times, sometimes people struggle with the material part of the construction world, right? The math component, the definitions, and grasping that concept of the literature. But then you can see them excel with the hands-on as engaging them to even go a step further, right? And a lot of times what we see is the hands-on component inspire them to complete the bookwork. It's super exciting and fulfilling.